Hi, darlings. Let's make some chicken curry sauce, okay? So I just boiled some sweet and Irish potatoes, blend them to a smooth consistency because I'm using this as my thickener instead of the regular cornstarch, okay? This is the chicken we're using. It into pieces like this, and then I went ahead to prep the foot and the head and the gizzard of this chicken because I just needed to put it there. I'm making this food for someone, so let him have all his parts. All his parts, okay? All the parts of the chicken, rather. Turmeric from my garden. I need to marinate the chicken. We have some freshly harvested turmeric. We have onion, ginger, garlic, and to that, let me add some coriander, cumin, fennel, and some black peppercorns, spring onion, oregano. And then I added some fresh scotch bonnet, plenty of it. Curry and thyme and some seasoning cubes. So let's set the chicken aside to marinate and then go ahead to prep the bell peppers, yellow bell, green bell, and red bell peppers, some spring onions, and then this is quite optional, the sausage, but I just like to add it to, some onion and some carrots. Time to fry the chicken. Not frying it dry, just kind of like a stir fry, so it's not just totally fresh. So some time ago, I made this chicken curry sauce for a particular client who is hosting some meetings. The food was really appreciated, so he asked that we do it again. So here we are replicating the recipe and probably improve on a thing or two. Okay, so there's some residue of spices in the oil, so I just used it to stir fry the sausage and all vegetables, just to build up some flavors in them as well. So I quickly scooped that out because I must retain the crunch of the veggies. Now to the liquid potato I blended, I added a few more seasoning cubes to taste, curry and thyme because I mean it is called curry sauce, and then covered that to boil. In comes the chicken. Now we're not gonna cook this for long because I mean everything is ready. If you're looking at this liquid and you say it's watery or runny, you're wrong because as it gets cold, it's gonna get thicker. All right. So we're serving this sauce with white rice, and last time we had shortage of salt, so like I told you, we're trying to improve a thing or two on it. Thank you for watching. Bye.